Hi everyone. Let us solve one question related to moment of inertia of the continuous mass distribution. So again system of particles. But again you will use the application of integration only. See in question number 138. What was the question number 138? There is a rod of length L and whose linear mass density is given by Ax plus B, where A and B are constants. Now here what they are asking is find the moment of inertia of the rod about an axis perpendicular to its length and passing through, one is center, another one is end A. So one is center, not center of mass. So center of mass, it is different. They are just asking center, midpoint. Now how to find the moment of inertia? Again same thing. Consider one small element. Suppose this is the center. Now you consider one small element of mass dm at a distance x. Then what is the small moment of inertia? Dm x square, because m r square, where dm is what? Lambda dx x square. Lambda is what? Ax plus b into x square dx. So di equal to ax cube dx or ax cube plus bx square dx. This is the small moment of inertia of small element you consider. Now you have to find the total moment of inertia of the rod. Then what you will do? You will go for integration. So the total moment of inertia is integration ax cube plus bx square plus dx from what are the limits is important. Here this is reference. This is like y axis. Now this is like x axis. So this is origin, means this is minus L by 2. This is plus L by 2. So what are the limits will become? Minus L by 2 to plus L by 2. So minus L by 2 to plus L by 2. Then take the integration. A into integration x cube dx is x power 4 by 4 minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 plus this is b x cube by 3 again minus L by 2 to plus L by 2. So that moment of inertia will become A into this is A by 4 you take it outside, L power 4 by 16 minus, see, minus L by 2 power 4 means again it will become plus only because the power is even number. So again L power 4 by 16 plus B into, let's take this 3 also outside, L by 2 whole cube, L cube by 8 minus L by 2 whole cube, this is 3, a odd number, then minus will come. So minus L cube by 8. So these two will get cancelled. It will become b by 3 into L cube by 8 minus of minus plus. So 2 L cube by 8. So 2 4s are. So b L cube by 4 3s are 12. So this is what? The moment of inertia of the rod. About which axis? About an axis perpendicular to its length and passing through midpoint, center, not center of mass. If they ask center of mass, then you have to go in another different way, because first you have to find the position of center of mass, then you have to find the moment of inertia about that. Now another one they are asking, if it is the axis passing through end, then don't apply parallel axis theorem using this result, because parallel axis theorem you have to apply if you know the moment of inertia about center of mass. That's why here you cannot apply with this result. Then what you have to do is apply the same method. Consider one small element, but now this is the reference point. Then go for the integration with the limits 0 to capital L. Now the limits will become 0 to capital L, because now this is reference point, this is x axis. So 0 to L. So only change the limits from 0 to L and apply the same procedure. Then you will get the moment of inertia about this axis passing through its end. So that is the way you can find the moment of inertia for a body with continuous mass distribution, especially non-uniform distribution. Because if it is uniform distribution, where the center of mass will lie? At the center. Then what is the moment of inertia? ml square by 12. But this is non-uniform distribution. Thank you.